Pre-COVID, Australia was Australia and New Zealand, pretty mature markets in regards to digital maturity and where things were at. As we came into the first phase of the pandemic here, we saw about 200,000 new consumers coming online for the first time to actually interact and trade. As we came through this second phase, about 900,000, close to 1 million new people have actually come online and actually are now interacting, they're searching, they're buying, they're transacting in ways they've actually not done pre-pandemic. So what that means very simply is Australia, whilst we were a mature digital economy, we've now raised significantly. And I just want to share a very quick anecdote, which is it's a non-statistically relevant survey, but I think it's a proof point. My parents are 80. They'd never used the internet before, really, to buy anything. They love YouTube and watching videos. But over the pandemic, because lockdown, they're actually buying groceries online. They said to me, John, can you imagine? They actually bring these to the front door. I don't have to carry these heavy bags anymore. This is life-changing. And what I think has happened over this pandemic is we've had a million new people coming online and shopping for the first time. They've also experienced these things. And so what I've seen from Google, and we can see the search data, is that we've seen this spike because of a lockdown and people couldn't shop. What we've not seen is that go down. We've actually seen it go up, and people have enjoyed the experience. They're continuing their online, adventure and doing more. So that's actually been really interesting. So one of the things I would take away, if you're a small business and you're sort of saying, is online really worthwhile? Should I do it? It's a bit of a hassle. It's not really going to help. It's the future of the business. And I've mentioned earlier about waves of innovation. This wave has formed up and it's time to jump on and start surfing it, because if you miss it, it's going to be very hard to get on to the next one. So that would be my hope that's helpful.